Good morning, Year 4. This is Monday's maths lesson, and today we are learning to understand months and years. So you might already know about months and years, but I want to recap to make sure you are 100% sure before we get started with the work. So, months of the year. Here is a calendar for you to look at, which shows you the different months in the year. So each year has 365 or 366 days, and these are grouped into months. There are 12 months in a year, and they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Which month are we in? We are in March. So each month has either 28, 29, 30 or 31 days. If we have a look, February, you can see here, has 28 days. Sometimes it has 29 days. That's called a leap year, which happens every 4 years. Which is why, if we go back to the last slide, we said there are 365 or 366 days. So on a leap year, there are 366 days. Okay, let's go through the months and have a look at some information. So January is the first month of the year. It begins on New Year's Day. It's got 31 days, can be abbreviated to JAN, and its month number is 1. February is the second month of the year. It has 28 days usually. Every 4 years it has a leap year, so it has 29. It can be abbreviated to FEB. Its month number is 2, and St. Valentine's Day is on the 14th of February. March, the third month of the year, has 31 days, can be abbreviated to MAR. Its month number is 3, and St. Patrick's Day is celebrated in March on the 17th. April is the fourth month of the year, has 30 days. It can be abbreviated to APR. Its month number is 4, and April is during springtime. May, the fifth month of the year, has 31 days. Its abbreviation is the same, it's just May, because it's so short. The month number is 5, and Mother's Day is in May. June, the sixth month of the year, has 30 days, can be abbreviated to JUN. The month number is 6, and summer begins in June. July, the seventh month of the year, has 31 days, can be abbreviated to JUL. The month number is 7, and the 4th of July is celebrated in the United States in July. August, the 8th month of the year, has 31 days, can be abbreviated to AUG. The month number is 8, and it is the last summer month. September, the 9th month of the year, has 30 days. It's abbreviated to SEP. The month number is number 9, and school begins in September for most children. October is the 10th month of the year. It has 31 days. It's abbreviated to OCT. The month number is 10, and Halloween is the last day in October. November, the 11th month of the year, has 30 days. It's abbreviated to NOV. It's number 11 in the months. And Thanksgiving, another American holiday, celebrated in November, and in England we celebrate Fireworks Night. Okay, December, the 12th and the last month of the year, has 31 days. It's abbreviated to DEC. The month number is number 12, and there are many holidays which are celebrated all over the world in December. Now you may have also noticed that December has got a capital letter. We've always got to remember that when we talk about the months of the year. So, quick question for you, a reasoning question, which means you have to explain your answer. Which month is the odd one out? Is it January, March, November or July? So pause the video and have a think. Which one is the odd one out? Come back to me when you're ready. Okay, so I think that November is the odd one out because it is the only month that has a total of 30 days. The other months have a total of 31 days. Moving on to days of the week. So each day is part of the week. Each week has 7 days, and each day is a weekday or a weekend day. So let's look at weekdays first. So the weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And yet again, you can see here that we've got capital letters for the start of each day. So people usually go to school on weekdays. The doctors, shops, libraries and other businesses are open on the weekday. Whereas at the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, Most people are off from work and off from school. And places like doctors, schools and some other businesses, especially on Sundays, are also closed at the weekend. Okay, so let's have a look at comparing weeks and months. Are months always longer than weeks? For example, is 1 month longer than 3 weeks? Pause the video, have a think. Is 1 month longer than 3 weeks? Let's have a look. So we know that 1 month can be 28, 29, 30 or 31 days long, and 1 week is 7 days long. So to work out if 3 weeks is longer or 1 month is longer, we need to know how many days there are in 3 weeks. So we need to multiply the number of weeks, which is 3, by the number of days in the week, 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. So 21 days in 3 weeks. So if we compare 21 days to 1 month, we can see 1 month is longer. How about this question? In 1 month, is 1 month longer than 4 weeks? So pause the video, see if you can use the information above to help you calculate. Is 1 month longer than 4 weeks? So we know 1 month is 28, 29, 30 or 31 days. And 4 weeks, well, that's 28 days because we need to multiply the number of weeks by 1 week, 7 days. So 4 times 7 is 28. So it depends on the month. If it's February, which is 28 days long, that's the same as 4 weeks. But if it's a leap year, when it has 29 days, we know that 1 month is going to be longer than 28 days. Okay, another reasoning question for you. Which month could this be? So remember, you need to be able to explain how you know the answer. So pause the video. What month could this be? So if we have a look at the calendar, we can see that it starts on the 1st and goes all the way down to the 31st. So it can only be these months: January, March, May, July, August, October and December. And that's because it's only these months that have 31 days in them. Now it's your turn to demonstrate how much you know about months and days. So have a go at the worksheet. If you find something is a little bit tricky, come back to this video because it may have some information that could help you. Good luck, and don't forget to send a picture of your work to us.